Alright, so we're here in our part 2 lesson. Now that our code is correct, what I want to do is if I release my keyboard, then, or my spacebar key, then it would say breathe out. Now we go back to, where's my notepad file? There we go. A while ago we said performed refers to button down, and if you would see our code, where's my unity? There we go. Performed now meaning button down. And we have here what we call canceled, meaning that's button up. So let's try this one. So again, in our code, I want to call Rexel, okay, the input manager. So on our code in the Rexel capsule, let me just open that script. There we go. All right. So controls, okay, controls now refers again to this input manager. And then on my action map, I want to call Rexel, okay, dot Rexel. And then what action do I want him to do? I want now the breathing action. So breathing action. And then a while ago, we said canceled means upon button up. Then dot cancel, cancel, make sure spelling is correct, plus equals, let's call it as breathe out function. There we go. All right. Now, breathe out function, this should have this one. Breathe out function should not have any parentheses, but this is not yet a function because we have to create a function for it. So private void, and let's call this function breathe out function. And again, if you've seen video 1, we'll just copy this, paste it here, and then debug.log, let's call it at breathe out. Save it, and let's test our game. Where's my Unity file? There we go. Okay. And I'm just saving the scripts. All right. So let's test that one now. Let me just clear this, and let's play. Okay. So press my space bar, release my space bar. Press my space bar, release my space bar. Press, release, and there we go. All right. If you want, if you understood that, then you could just make something, scale it for example. Let's say, since this code is attached to the capsule, then transform dot local scale. I think this should be small caps. Let's go to new vector 3, and let's scale that for example by 0.5, 0.5f, 0.5f, and 0.5f. Okay, and then breathe in, breathe out. Let's just scale that back to 1. All right, let's test that. Save it. And where's my game? There we go. Clear. Oops. If I play this, let's see. All right. Go. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay? So hopefully you understand it because while I was watching it, I couldn't understand it until I understood it, and hopefully I could explain it to you in an easier explanation. All right? So thanks for watching.